Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Jeep Cherokee in a Trailhawk trim and powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around, 4x4ing, whatever you want to do with this vehicle. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you. And looking in, you have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. Have this bar here, which can be taken off, where you can clip things onto it. Not sure what you would do with that, but underneath here you have your full-size spare, so no need to worry about a donut that will be quickly worn out, and plenty of extra space in there for whatever else. And the hatch closes again with another simple press of a button. And then first, looking in the back seat, we have seating for three with a nice leather and cloth interior. We do have fold-out armrests with two cup holders in the middle and a 115-volt power outlet. Do also have fitted rubber floor mounts there with the vehicle. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 70,808 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your vehicle info such as tire pressures, coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil temperature, all of your service information you can check from there, your fuel economy, trip info for A and B, I would assume, and your auto start stop status, your audio, stored messages from your connected phone, and screen setup in general. But then you do also have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and I believe also USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and SD, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your accessory controls, so you do have heated front seats with 2 levels each, and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm, and your mirror dimmer, which you can turn off, I suppose. And then you have all of your apps here, kind of everything you have available on your screen you can access from here. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. And you have your navigation screens. You're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And then last, you have your Bluetooth phone controls, but we don't have anything connected, so that's not going to do anything for us. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And above that, you have a little compartment here for more storage. Moving down from your screen, you have your hazards, and then you have your media and climate controls here, once again with dual zone front climate, but you also have your screen shut off, traction control shut off, auto start stop shut off. And then moving down from that, you have all of your audio stuff here, SD, USB, auxiliary, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio. And then here you have all of your sort of 4x4 stuff. You have your 4-wheel drive low, locking rear differential, your hill descent assist, I believe, and then I would assume this is a sort of trail cruise control. And then you can turn this to go through all of your drive modes, such as auto, snow, sport, mud, sand, sand and mud and rock. So you can kind of go anywhere with this if you so please. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And you have your parking brake here, 2 cup holders, a cubby, and your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious for all of your stuff, including another USB and 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.